30,000 for Bitcoin is a big resistance. It is going to be a big sell. Still, many people have their sell orders set to the $30,000, and what Ivan on Tech said before, that this year we might just go sideways and 30 might be the top for this year, or maybe 35, might just work out. And how do I know this? Well, let me show you, because the data I have right now, which I'm going to share with you, is pretty interesting. So let's start with the chart. As you can see, we are at 29,250. We kind of form this triangle, which is interesting. And if we would break out from this triangle, the price target is appealing. Let's use this. Let's be a bit conservative and just put to the breakout if we are going to break out. And the price target for this is the 32,000, which is the top of this cluster. This cluster, which is coming from previous volume profile, previous sideways action, if you will. Now, the thing is that we still have, or I have, some data which says that at 30,000, somewhere here, there still are some sell orders set on major exchanges, and that could stop the price, and that could just give us something like this. Maybe we dip lower, maybe we break out higher and just come back to this support. We don't know. However, the data is not lying, and I'm gonna show you in just a second what tool I got, what platform I am using at this moment, to which you also have access, because this is the first time on this channel when I can bring you something which is valuable, which is very helpful, which is packed with information, powered by Chat-GPT, by the way. So let's go to that platform and see what is happening. Now, as you can see right now here, everything is normal. We have the chart and we have an RSI. However, it is packed with lots of things. This Max Data app is powered by AI, and it's not only about the chart. It also has lots of new informations which you will get in an instant, and it has a function which is the best of it all, which I'm going to share with you at the end of the video. But first of all, let's check what we can see on the charts, and what we can see on the charts with some on-chain analytics. Now, as you can see, we have the PNF, for example, supply and profit and loss. And as you can see right here, we have some nice data. Now, if I just go back to the, let's see, the 4 hours, let's see if we are in a buy zone, okay? And as you can see, we are not just yet. This indicator, which shows the profit and loss of people, says that we are still not in buy zone, and this might be some kind of a local top. The other one which I like to check is the reserves of Bitcoin and stablecoins, and that is very interesting to me. Now, if I switch it to 4 hours, we can see what is happening here on the chart. As you can see, the reserve of Bitcoin on the exchanges is going down, and the reserve of stablecoins, I don't know if you can see it, yes, you can see it, is going up. That would give us a hint of people are sending stablecoins into the exchanges because they want to buy. This is a good sign. This is a very good sign. Now, as you know, I also like to check the DXY, the dollar's value compared to other currencies. And as you can see, we are at 102. And whenever the dollar's value dips, then Bitcoin goes up. We can see it here, for example, when in January the dollar's value dipped from 105 to 101, and the Bitcoin's price went up from 17,000 to 22. Now, what we see right now in this local top, just let me readjust here, is that the DXY is climbing up, and that is why we have this sideways action. Obviously, we also had the Fed's 0.25% rate hike. Therefore it is something to be expected, and I was expecting a bigger dip. However, as everybody was also expecting a 0.5, and we had the dip before, it was kind of priced in, and that's why we just pumped back very fast. But this is also a good tool to compare the DXY to the Bitcoin's chart, and whenever the DXY starts to climb, we can expect Bitcoin's price to stumble just a bit. There are so many layouts loaded here, and I would recommend you to just go through, because you can find stable coins to exchange, for example, which is right here. and you can also check it with the price target, obviously, of Bitcoin. You can find the reserves, the SOPR, you can find the reserves all plus the color bot, you can find here the ratio NUPL with the BSR USD, you can find the stablecoin to exchange flow, which I'm showing right now. You can it has lots of layouts, lots of combinations, and what is important is you to find out what is the best for you and what strategy you are on. But this is just the beginning, to be honest, because what I just said in the intro, that I know the order book, well, it is right here. And why it is important to see the order book? As you can see, every color is a different exchange, and it is updating as we speak. So this is a live order book. Now the thing is that here we can see sell orders and buy orders. Sell orders when the price going down from current price, which is the 29,000 something we are right now here. Hope you can see the mouse. And if we go lower, then we can see that at 29,000 there is a wall. Okay, we can see this jump, and that means that people have buy orders, and at the 29,000, after the 29,000, we can see that at 28,650 they also have buy orders. So for people who likes to long, because they think that we are going to go only up, at a correction to this level, it might be a good place to start the trade. However, I don't really recommend long and shorts with leverage, but everyone does as they want with their own money, obviously, and not financial advice. Now, if we want to see where are the resistances, and this can be in correlation with the charts, you can see that here at $30,000 we have the biggest wall. Okay, this is a big wall. Here we have lots of sell orders for the simple fact that this is a psychological level. Okay, 30,000 is psychological level, and many people think that 30,000 was or will be the top or the local top of this year's price. Now, whether this is going to happen or not, we will probably have a bounce or a rejection at this point. So if you are longing right now, if you are in a long, maybe a take profit at this level would be nice. Let's go forward. We have news. Now this news is very important. This is an AI Chat-GPT generated news. And as you can see, they are updating continuously. Now, if I go to Bitcoin, you can see that 1 hour ago, Money Control wrote an article that Matrix Sport forecasts 20% upswing in Bitcoin. Also, BOL News wrote that there is an increase in wrapped Bitcoin. 2 hours ago, the Q1 2023 market review by the Daily Huddle. So all the news, all the articles, anything which appears about Bitcoin or Ethereum or USDT or BNB, whatever you are hodling, whatever you are following, will be generated here. And there is also this mark, which is green or gray or red, which obviously says whether this is neutral, bullish or bearish. So this is a nice tool, and we are not even at the half of what this platform knows. So we have listings, and I know that this is what some people like the most. As you can see, here, anytime some listing news appear on Twitter, on CoinGecko, on an article, the AI tool will just find it and put it here. And you can see that some coins will be listed on different exchanges. And if you are in the first to buy in, that news that we know that listing on any bigger exchanges is at least 30% increase. So yeah, I don't recommend to buy in, but yeah, statistically speaking and looking back at the history of coins getting listed on big exchanges, it is kind of a no-brainer. And this also has something in addition, which I'm gonna share you in just a second, because we are still not the end of this platform's know-how or information offering. We have a calendar here. Now I use usually invest.com. However, this also has the same summary of the upcoming events, and you can see, broke down to countries, and obviously the US is also here, and it is also just highlights how important, okay, the importance of the news or the importance of the meetings or the press release for different indexes, assets, or crypto as well, obviously. Now we are getting into the juicy last two things, something to which we saw many pumps. Now here we have the Twitter the Titter Alerts. Okay, you can set some rules, you can create your own rule as well, obviously, or you can use some predefined news. Now, as you can see, I already have some news which are running. I still have no events because I just started yesterday. But for example, you can have a rule that if Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin or Dogecoin, then you will get a notification. And I think I already spilled some beans here because yes, this platform will send you notifications as a text message or as a Telegram message. Therefore, if you set some rules here for Twitter, whether that be about the top 200 coins or the biggest and richest, the top 500 biggest tweeters or tweets or investors, about crypto influencers, crypto Twitter, the 58 bullish words which are set here, you know, with the rockets and everything. And if Chat-GPT finds any of those tweets on Twitter, it will just send you a notification that, hey, this guy tweeted this, and yeah, you should check it because it might happen that there will be a pump somewhere. Now, Twitter logo, and this is the last one which I'm gonna cover. This is very interesting, but based on what happened last time when Elon Musk changed Twitter's logo to the Dogecoin, we could see the pump, right? So this one, this prompt will send you alert if Twitter changes its logo. And whenever there is a true change of the Twitter logo, then you will get a notification and you will be able to act on it, you know, whether you want to long Dogecoin, for example, or buy in or sell or whatever you think. Now let's talk about the prices, because the price is also important, right? So I'm just gonna go here to the price, and as you can see, the Pro Tier 3, which I just showed, which includes everything on this platform, is $270 paid monthly. Except right now for my community, for the Breaking Free channel users or viewers, it is completely free. Yes, it is completely free because we have it until first week of July. All you need to do is use the link in the description, try it, see if you can get any information. If you can, just tweet about it, send me a message, comment under the video, whatever you want. And I want to state that I do not get any money from the platform, from Max Data. This is purely just a trial, a tryout, because we might have some kind of a collaboration in the future between our channels. And these 2 months are free for everyone who are using my link, because yeah, try it out. See if you like it. And yeah, there is no need for any credit card or wallet or pay or anything. Just sign up, use it, and after 2 months, if you want, you buy it. If you don't, you don't. See you in the next video.